Christmas tree pine cone. Pine cone. Oh, ganda, di ba? Galing lang sa puno. Tiny one. There. You can put Christmas light if you want. It's very simple. Yan. Di ba? Tinlagyan mo ng tatlo dito. Trees. Then put the ink like that. Christmas tree.